Hello everyone, I'm Flavia and thank you for stopping by. Today I will be showing you the surprise behind door 18 of Spellbinders 2024 Crafty Advent Calendar. If you've missed any of my previous videos, know that there is a link in the description box down below for the playlist of this series so you can check it out later. And if you have been counting down to Christmas with me, know that I appreciate the time you spent watching my videos. Today's surprise is a generous bag of sequins and I love this color. These sequins are kind of holographic and they add a lot of shining person. In this bag we have sequins in many different sizes and there are many uses for them. For example, we can use them to make note cards with shaker windows or to decorate the center of die-cut flowers. And we can add it to the front of any type of note card for some extra sparkle. On the 9th of this month, we also got another bag of sequins, and in that video I show you how I like to store my embellishments. If you're interested in watching it, you can click on the link on the top right corner for some storage tips. In this video, instead of making a note card, I will use today's sequins to embellish a note card that I made with the contents of day 1 of this calendar. I think that today's sequins color goes very well with that note card. So, using a wax pencil and strong liquid adhesive, I will add some of these sequins around the die-cut hot air balloon just for some sparkle. Small details such as this make all the difference, and it really takes no time at all if you do have the right tool such as this wax pencil. This is a very inexpensive tool and such a time saver. So this is all that I have for today and I thank you for stopping by. Have a wonderful day, take care and happy crafting!